Hi, it's Richard Hartledge. I'm in my home garden. I've always been a fan of found objects. And so even in the garden, I have accumulated a number of objects. In the foreground, we have some old sandstone letters that were probably signage in New York City, and then a piece of faux bois here, which was probably cemetery art, would be my guess. And then with the sempervirens or hens and chicks, that's an old pig trough for feeding or watering, and then a glass crucible. Um, and so these were all bought at Brimfield a number of years ago, and I live in Seattle, so we just arranged shipping and brought them out to Seattle on palletized stacks. And then of course, the pot is not old, it is new. It is Vasa Giganti from Siebert and Rice Terracotta, and it's fabulous. It's really used as sculpture in the garden. Everyone wants to know what I'm going to plant, and I always tell them we're going to turn it into a hot tub. So anyways, thanks for joining us, and check in on future videos.